In this video, I will show you how to take an existing Quizlet set and turn it into a multiple choice activity on BookWidgets with as little manual input from you as possible. So step one is going to the Quizlet set you would like to turn into a BookWidgets multiple choice worksheet, quiz or activity, and scrolling down to the three dots here, where you will press export and you will copy the text. You will open up ChatGPT and in the text box you will paste that vocab list. Just above that vocab list, you're going to copy and paste this exact prompt. And this will generate a table. The table will be 6 columns. Column 1 is the Japanese. Column A is the correct answer. Columns B and C have just taken all the words from column A and randomized them, providing your multiple choice options. The fourth column, answer, is simply telling BookWidgets eventually that column A is the correct answer, and this column here, random order, is simply telling BookWidgets that for each question, obviously don't always show the correct answer as option 1, but to randomize them each time. ChatGPT has also been instructed to ensure that there's no double ups across the 3 options for each vocab item. So once it's generated that, you just need to select, copy and paste the table into an Excel document, just a blank document. And just in A1, right click, paste. The formatting doesn't matter at all. BookWidget doesn't care. You're then going to go File, Save As, and what you need to do is save it as this exact file format here. There are a few .csvs, but they're not all the same. It needs to be this one here. And we're going to call it what it is. Japanese Continuous Unit 1 Kanji Set 2. And we're going to save that. We're then going to go into BookWidgets and we're going to create new widget. It's going to do Worksheet. And we're going to go to the cog here and import from CSV. I've already made sense of all of this and incorporated that into the ChatGPT prompt, so we're good to go ahead and just press import CSV. And we're going to import what we've just made from Quizlet through ChatGPT, and if we do a quick preview, you'll see it's taken each of the vocab items. The correct answer is in there, but it's also pulled 2 more random vocab items from within the set to create this multiple choice activity. And there you go. In about not even 5 minutes, you've turned an existing Quizlet into a fully fledged randomized BookWidgets for an exit ticket, pop quiz, an activity, formative assessment, and then just save it.